Hmm.
Good evening, teacher.
Oh, good evening. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Ulises. How are you?
Not bad, eh? Yourself?
I'm fine, thank you. Just waiting for your classmates to connect.
All right.
It's time.
Teacher,
Hi.
I got a big trouble.
Why? What happened?
You see my name?
Yes.
I can fix.
Ligada Ulises Oily.
It's less the K between O and E.
Okay. Hey, Ulises, you froze.
Yeah, the
I'm
K.
sorry, you froze. You
I
said
miss the K.
okay. You have a bad connection. Oops, desconectó. Oh, he will go back. Hello, Alexandra. Hello, Ruth. Emma, how are you? Good afternoon.
Good
How are
afternoon,
you
teacher.
doing today? How are you doing today? Hey, welcome back, Ulises. Jency, hello. No sé.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Ulises,
I hear you.
can
Yes,
you hear
here.
me?
Yes, sir.
So you were talking about your name. What happened with your name?
Uh, I miss the K between O and A and E.
O'Kelly?
Yeah,
Oh, but you can fix it. Let me help you right now.
I
So
can
it
do it.
should be like this. Okely.
Yeah, like that.
All right. All right. Thank you. Okay, guys.
Thank
Good
you.
afternoon. Welcome to our third class. Today is Wednesday. Wednesday, right? What day is today? Yeah. Yes, right. Today is
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, November 8th, 2023. We are working on unit number 1, and we are going to continue with our classes. But before, I always like to review the previous class just to, how do you say in English? How do you say in English? Resumir. Hmm?
Recount.
What?
Recount.
Recount? It's a little bit different. How do you say?
Summary, teacher.
Summarize. Summarize.
Okay.
Summarize. How? Yeah, I like to review and summarize the previous class contents, so you remember. Hey, no sirve mi mouse. Here. So, resumir is summarize, like that. All right, guys, so tell me about yesterday's class. What do you remember about yesterday? What did we talk about? Alexandra, what can you tell me?
We learned how to use there is and there are.
Oh, yeah, we practice there is and there are. Oops. To talk about what?
To talk about places.
To talk about places in the city, right? So, when do you use there is? When you talk about singular or plural?
Singular.
Singular.
Singular. Singular. Yeah. And there are?
Plural.
Plural. Plural.
It's plural. Perfect. What else do you need when we use there is? We also use what?
The object is only one, teacher.
Yes, it's only one, so it's singular. But remember, we use one more thing, one more word. Which one?
A.
Huh?
Article A,
Ah, or
an.
or an, because it's one. And can you give me an example? Can you give me examples using there is and there are?
An apple, teacher.
There is
Um,
a hospital.
A bank.
There is a hospital. Very good. Tell me the complete sentence, not only the city place.
Okay.
Another one?
There is a bank.
There is a bank. Very good. There is a bank.
There is
Another
a
one?
high school.
Repeat, Ruth.
There is a, pardon, there is a school.
There is a school. All right. And if we talk about plural, can you give me plural examples?
There are restaurants.
Is it okay if I say there are
There are
restaurants? Is this correct? Yes or no?
No,
two.
Why not?
many.
Yeah, because
There
it's
are
plural, right? And means
Is singular.
is singular. Yes. There are restaurants. Next.
any.
Another example.
There are
There are
museums.
parks.
And hotels.
Wait, Santos, repeat.
There are museums.
Is it necessary to use a?
No.
No, no,
So?
teacher.
So?
Because it's plural.
So what is the correct form?
There are museums.
There are museums. Museums, yes. Ulises, what was your example? I'm sorry.
There are hotels.
Again, Ulises, is it necessary? Please, guys, focus. ¿Es necesario usar la a con
No.
there are?
No,
No.
it's not necessary.
No, right? So Ulises, what's the correct form? There are?
There are
Mm-mm.
I am means one.
there are
Repeat.
there are
Ulises, remember, a is singular. A means one
Yeah.
object, right? And there are es singular o plural, Ulises. There are. Es
plural.
plural. Entonces, ¿utiliza la a, sí o no?
No,
Ajá, entonces dígame el ejemplo nuevamente. There are
hotels.
There are hotels. Perfect. Now, can you change this one into a question? There is a hospital, it's positive. What would be the question?
Is there a hospital?
Exactly, we just switch it around, right? Is there a hospital? And at the end, question mark. Change this one into a question.
Is
There
there a
a-
Is there a bank? Perfect, question mark. And the last one?
Is there
There
a
are schools.
Is there a school? Perfect. And with there are, what would be the question here?
are there
Are there
restaurants?
restaurants?
Are there restaurants?
Are there restaurants? Sometimes we also use the word any, right? Are there any restaurants? You can also say like that. This one, what would be the question here?
Are
Are there museums?
Are there museums? Perfect. And the last one here?
Are there
there hotels?
Hotels.
Are there hotels?
There are
And what's a simple positive yes or no answer here? Is there a hospital? Positive?
Yes,
there is.
Yes, there is. Yes, there is or yes, there isn't? Yes, there is. And the negative? Is there a bank? Negative?
No, there isn't.
No, there isn't.
No, there isn't. And with plurals here, positive, are there restaurants?
Is there a?
yes,
Yes, there are. And here, negative? Oops.
no, there are.
There you go. No,
No, there aren't.
no, there aren't.
Alright.
Nice, very good, guys. So this is what we studied yesterday, right? How to use there is, there are, positive, negative, and questions. Today we are going to practice something different, but oops. Before we continue, 1 second, I will take the picture. Señores, recuerden desde el inicio, enciendan la camarita. Si no, asumiré que no están conectados. Activos es la palabra, activos. Okay. So today we are going to practice how to talk about countable and uncountable things. For that, we are going to look at some vocabulary. Let me change the screen here. Do you see my computer screen?
Yes, teacher.
Okay.
yes.
Yes, today is 8, yes.
Thank you, teacher.
Eight.
All right, guys. So here we have different nouns. We have uncountable and countable. And here we have the vocabulary. We are going to place the vocabulary in the correct category. So let's begin. Pineapple. Are pineapples countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Pineapples are countable. All right. Pear juice.
Uncountable.
Juice. Uncountable. All right. Plum.
Countable.
Plum. Plum. Countable. Okay. Burger.
Countable.
Burger. You sure? Uncountable or countable?
Countable.
Countable.
Countable. Can you count the hamburgers? Yes, right? How many hamburgers do you eat? 4. Right? So yes. Burger is countable. Banana?
Countable.
Countable.
All right. Cream?
Uncountable.
Uncountable. Yogurt?
Uncountable.
Uncountable.
All right. Mushroom?
Countable.
Countable. Grape?
Countable.
Countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Countable.
Countable, the grapes, right? The fruit. Ham?
Uncountable.
Countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
What is ham?
Jamón.
Among.
So can you say 1 jamón, 2 jamón?
Nope.
So
Uncountable.
exactly, but you are counting the container, not the ham. So it is uncountable. Cherry?
Countable.
Cherry, countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Someone is saying uncountable. Can you count the cherries? Can you say 1 cherry, 2 cherries, 3 cherries? I want a banana split with 3 cherries, please. Right? So it is countable. D?
Uncountable.
Uncountable. Salt?
Uncountable.
Perfect. Potato?
Countable.
Nice. Rice?
Uncountable.
Okay. Meat?
Uncountable.
Right. Peanut?
Countable.
Countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Countable or uncountable? Peanut.
Uncountable.
What is peanut?
Money.
Manio cacahuate. So it's a countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Countable. Peanut butter will be different, right? Peanut butter.
Yeah.
Apple juice,
Uncountable.
see? Sausages,
Uncountable.
sausage. What is a sausage? Chorizo, salchicha. Chorizo, salchicha. So, countable.
Countable.
Biscuit,
Countable.
countable. What's a biscuit?
Galletas.
Galleta.
Antes.
Water,
Uncountable.
pasta,
Uncountable.
cheese,
Uncountable.
tomato,
Countable.
sandwich.
Countable.
Can you count the sandwich or no?
Yes.
Yes. And the coffee?
Uncountable.
Uncountable. Perfect. So you see, if you take a look in here, liquids and other things that you cannot count one by one, they are uncountable. But teacher, I can say I mean, the rice son chiquititos, but you can count them. Y se va a poner a contar cuántos arroz hay en una libra.
No.
No, right? So they are uncountable. You can count the measure, libras, but not the rice. How do you say libra in English?
Pound.
Pound. A pound of rice. In that case, yes. But it's not the rice. It's like water. Can you count water? No, right? The liquid? No. But if I say a bottle of water,
No.
But
a bottle of water, it's
Yes.
countable, right? But what am I counting? Am I counting the water or the container, the bottle?
The container.
The container, so it's different, don't get confused. And then the countable things are all the things we can count. We give a number y podemos pluralize. Can I pluralize pineapple? Can I say pineapples?
Yes.
Can I say sandwiches?
Yes.
Tomatoes?
Yes.
Potatoes?
Yes.
Coffees?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No. Yes.
Cheeses? Cheeses?
No.
Creams? No, right? So if you can pluralize, esa es otra technique. If you can pluralize, it's countable. If not, it's uncountable. Lo contable no se puede pluralizar.
Por el poste y te venís.
Vaya.
llegamos.
Sí, mami, no problem. Ok. Aquí le esperamos. Microphones. Be careful. Right, now let's go over some definitions here. Let's see. Catherine Marroquin, open your microphone and please read the presentation.
Okay. Countable, uncountable. A noun can be countable or uncountable.
Noun. A noun.
Okay, sorry. A noun can be countable or uncountable. In the case countable nouns are things we can count. And a countable noun can be singular, banana, or plurals, bananas. Example, I eat bananas every day. I like bananas. We don't have enough cups. And in the case uncountable nouns are things we can count. Uncountable nouns has only one form. Example, rice. And other examples, I eat rice every day. I like rice. We don't have enough water.
Chinito, I like rice. Yeah. So that is the difference. Now, in your own words. Ruth, what is a countable noun? Ruth? What is a countable noun? Countable.
Uncountable.
Uh-huh. What is it? Give me the definition in your own words.
Mm,
You need help?
sí.
All right.
Lo que, igual cosas líquidas, no sé.
What? Countable? Can you count liquids?
Uncountable, perdón. Lo countable sería como...
In English, in English, in English?
mm, no, no sé.
Cecilia, help her. Cecilia.
Yeah.
Countable
Oh.
now can be... no sé cómo...
What?
No sé.
Remember, if you
Liquidado.
don't know how to say something, what's the question? Si no sabe cómo decir algo, ¿qué se pregunta?
How can I say?
How do you say?
Sí.
So, what are you trying to say, Ruth?
Ya se me olvidó la pregunta, repítamela por favor.
What is a countable noun? What is countable? What is the meaning of countable?
La definición sería...
Yes. Giancarla, por favor, puede cambiar el nombre porque aparece Miss Giancarla. Señores, tengamos cuidado con el nombre, por favor, porque estos días que estuve poniendo la asistencia, tuve que andar saltando de arriba para abajo en la lista buscándolos. Así que, por favor, recuerden, nombre completo, iniciando con el apellido y el nombre, o por lo menos pongan el nombre completo para que vea cuáles son sus dos apellidos. ¿Sí? Y así tengo, porque anoche me dormí a las 2 de la mañana. Y ando yo así buscándolos por todos lados. So, Giancarla, por favor, cambie el nombre porque dice Miss Giancarla. Y ajá,
Okay.
perdón, Ruth.
Right now, so excuse me, but this is the count of my work.
Okay. But
Okay, right now, I'm gonna do it right now.
thank you. So remember, guys, easy words. Countable, you can count. Right? You give a number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Uncountable, how do you say? No pueden contarse.
Like liquids,
How do you say? No se pueden contar.
uncountable.
No. How do you say? No se pueden contar.
We can now count.
We cannot count. So, that's the main difference. Señores, ni traviesos que me están manchando la pantalla. One moment here. It looks difficult, it looks confusing, but it's not. Just remember, in your mind, if you can give a number, it's countable. If you cannot give a number, it's uncountable. Like in this case here. What is this?
Kitchen.
Kitchen.
Chickens.
Chicken. And is this countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Countable? You sure?
Yes.
My chicken, two chicken.
Totally sure? Como que su vida dependiera en eso y me decían chicken is countable.
Es countable. Por mí.
Definite answer?
Yes.
Stephanie,
Yes.
for you is countable.
Yes.
Emma, for you?
Is countable.
Alexandra? Countable. Yancy? Countable. Cecilia?
Yes, countable.
Stephanie? Ah, yo digo que sí. Giancarla, Stephanie. Countable or uncountable? Chicken.
It is uncountable.
Yes, guys, the chicken is uncountable.
Right,
But
teacher.
when it's dead and cooked, ya muerto y cocinado, is uncountable.
Okay.
But the little chicks, los pollitos, yeah, those are countable. But the food is uncountable. Ups. No era aquí, no. Perdón. Miren cómo se ve así toda la cámara apagada, fellito se ve así.
No, hombre, no ha visto.
Aquí era esa. Now, the second one, what is this?
Meat.
Meat. To be... Ah,
Meat.
no quiere mi mouse.
Beef.
To be more specific, this is pork.
Really?
Yes. Let's imagine. What is pork? Tunquito
Well-
meat, right?
Yep.
So, is pork countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Uncountable. Again, all the carnes are uncountable.
Or
What is this? What is this? Any idea?
onions,
That's tuna.
tuna.
Mhm.
I don't
Fish.
know what is tuna.
Tuna, the fish.
Mm,
The type it's a type of
Atún.
fish. It's a type of fish.
No, it's like atún.
Uh-huh.
okay.
Yes.
It's a tomb.
So is that countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Uncountable. What is this? Number 4.
Grapes.
Grapes. Are they countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Countable, right? You can go 1 grape, 2 grapes, 3 grapes, 4 grapes. How many grapes do you eat for Christmas? 12, right?
The
12
tradition
grapes.
is 12.
It's a tradition. Grapes. What is this? Number 5.
Banana.
Banana. Is that countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Countable, right? You can say 2 bananas, 3 bananas, etc. This one,
Tomato.
Apple.
tomato, countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Countable. Number 7,
Lettuce.
lettuce,
Lettuce.
countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Countable.
Countable, yeah, you can say 1 lettuce, please, 2 lettuce. Number 8,
Cheese.
cheese, like when you take a picture. Is that countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Uncountable, right? The next one, number 9,
Egg.
eggs, countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Countable.
Uncountable. 10,
Rice.
countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Countable, right? Number 11,
Tea.
tea, countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
The next one, 12, is not red chicken, people. No, it's not red chicken. What is it?
Cabbage.
Cabbage, very good. Countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Countable.
Countable, right? Number 14,
Salt.
Milk.
14 here.
Milk.
Meal, countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
No, no, comimos 13.
The 13.
Number 13,
Salt.
salt. Salt, countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Number 15,
Butter.
butter. Butter, countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Countable, right? It is different if you say butter bar. Okay, la barra, like the margarina, right? Butter bar, but it's the bar, not the butter. Or like chocolate. Chocolate, is it countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
But if I say chocolate bar,
Countable.
countable. Yes. It will depend on the context. Number 16,
Potato.
is that countable or uncountable?
Uncountable.
Uncountable, potato. Countable, right? Number 18,
Bread.
is that countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Countable? You
No,
think?
uncountable.
Bread is uncountable. Yes, the bread is uncountable. Once again, you can say pieces of bread, 1 piece, 2 pieces of bread, or slice of bread, 1 slice, 2 slices, but not bread. Okay. Number 18
Carrot.
for conejitos. Is that countable or
Error.
uncountable?
Countable.
Uncountable.
Countable. Number 19, pepper. Countable or
Pepper.
uncountable?
Uncountable.
Uncountable. And finally, number 20,
Onion.
Onion. Countable.
onion. Countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Countable, right? Very good. So, do you make the difference between countable and uncountable?
Yes.
Yes.
This is about food. But what if you talk about other stuff, like, for example, money? Is money countable or uncountable?
Countable.
Uncountable.
Hmm.
Money. Money.
Can you say 1 money, 2 money, 3 monies?
Uncountable.
No.
Is money is uncountable?
Uh-huh.
It's
Uncountable.
uncountable because it is uncountable because it's digital. It's different to say that cash that is specific that you have in your hand, and you can set $1, $2, $3, etc.
Yes, Robert, but it's not about the physical or digital aspect. It's more about the nature of the things. The word money, the set, el conjunto, the word money is uncountable, but dollars, coins, bills, those are countable. So
Because
it's like food. The word food, is it countable or uncountable?
Food is
Uncountable. You can count the different types of food, but not the word food. All right.
yeah,
People, be careful with the microphones. Right, let's move on. No sé qué onda con mi mouse. All right. Now, more vocabulary. We're gonna make it quickly. Again, countable or uncountable? Sugar,
Uncountable.
Uncountable.
pencil,
Countable.
biscuit,
Countable.
rice.
Uncountable.
Countable or uncountable?
uncountable.
Uncountable. Rice, I mean cup.
Uncountable.
Countable.
Countable. Tiger,
Uncountable.
bread.
Uncountable.
Jesse, bread. Jancy,
Uncountable.
uncountable. Butter,
Uncountable.
plate,
Countable.
chair,
Countable.
flour,
Countable.
jam,
Uncountable.
juice,
Uncountable.
slice,
Uncountable.
and paper.
Uncountable.
Countable. Yes. Any questions about the vocabulary?
Paper is countable, teacher.
No, uncountable.
Uncountable.
You don't say 1 page, 2 page. You say pages. I mean, 1 paper, 2 paper. You can say 1 page, 2 pages, 3 pages, but not paper.
Okay.
Paper is uncountable. You count the pages. Hmm? Questions
Yes.
about the vocabulary? No? Do you know all the vocabulary? Nice.
I have one.
Yes, Robert?
Why the stars are countable, but rice is not uncountable?
Stars
Yeah, stars, like
on the sky?
Yeah.
Well, the thing is that the rice is calculated more in big quantities like pounds or pounds, libras. But you are not going to be counting 1 rice, 2 rices, 3 rices, 4 rices. Like imagine this, if I tell you, Robert, please cook rice for tomorrow. No me va a decir cuántos arroces, right? Me va a preguntar cuántas libras, right?
Yeah, but I don't know.
But in the case of the stars, I can tell you how many stars do you see? Whew, a lot. And you can start counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. but it's different. With the food, it's a little bit different, Robert.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Any other question? All right. Now, let's go over this exercise here. We are going to circle the odd one out. Do you know what odd one out means? What is the meaning of odd one out?
Palabra desconocida.
Excuse me? How is
Palabra.
palabra desconocida? What is it?
O que no coincide con la línea. La que es diferente a
Try
las
to explain in
demás.
English. Say that in English, Fidelina. Speak to me in English. How do you say la diferente? O la que no corresponde.
Difference of the group.
Yes. Thank you. You see, you can do it. You can do it. So do it. Yes, Fidelina. Good job. How do you say in English que no pertenece al grupo? How do you say pertenecer in English?
It's not own.
No, own is not pertenecer. Own is property. If I say it's my own, it's my property.
Or
Can be
belong.
Belong, yeah, belong. Belong. So the odd one out means the word that doesn't belong to the group. The word that doesn't belong to the group. Right. So in number one, bowl, plate, glass, and knife. Which one will be the odd one out?
Glass.
Bowl, plate, glass, knife.
Glass.
Knife.
Bowl.
Bowl,
Glass.
glass,
Glass.
knife,
Glass.
plate. What's a bowl?
Knife.
What do you use the bowl for?
I see or is
You put the food in it, right?
right.
You put something in it. In the plate,
Oh, the
Yeah.
food.
you can also put food. In the glass,
Water.
you put your drink. And in a knife,
The
Yes.
food.
Put the food.
so is it related?
Yes. Yeah.
You sure?
Glass.
Remember, we have to separate, circle the one that doesn't correspond to the group.
Glass, teacher.
Why glass?
Because
can drink
it's
something.
different of the cooking.
But you don't use a bowl for cooking, not a plate for cooking. You can use a glass for cooking. You get the water and you put it in the bowl. In the bowl, you put the food.
Yeah.
In a plate,
The plate.
you put the food.
Yes.
In a glass,
you can drink.
you put the drink for your food. And in the knife,
You can cook your food.
but is it for something that you use to put your food? Is it a container for food?
No.
No, right?
Knife.
So this won't be the one out because it's not a container for the food. Number two, beef, throat, lamb, and pork.
What is throat?
What is throat?
Throat. Ay, le escribí, ¿dónde le escribí? Yes, I forgot. Let me just reconfirm. Throat. Y eso que le escribí.
It's like
Trucha, it's a kind of fish.
Trucha.
A kind of fish. So we have beef, throat, lamb, and pork.
lamb
No.
throat. Lamb.
Lamb?
Lamb.
You sure? Why, Emma?
Lamb. I don't say lamb.
Oh, you didn't say lamb? Say lamb.
No, I don't say. Lámpara.
No.
No, lamb is ternera, ternero.
Cordero.
Yeah, that's lamb.
Throat.
Throat.
Yeah, throat, right? Because it's fish, and the other ones
Oh.
are other type of meat.
And the other is
Okay.
another meat.
Yes,
Meat.
fish. Hey, come on. Number 3, lettuce, carrots, bananas, and mushrooms.
Banana.
Bananas.
Why bananas?
Pero banana,
Because
more
bananas is fruit.
The other are vegetables.
There you go. Perfect. Bananas, fruits, and the other ones are vegetables. Perfect.
vegetable.
Number 4, buy, market, shop, supermarket.
Buy.
Buy.
Which one?
Buy.
Buy. Why?
Market.
Because it's a verb.
Because it's a place.
Because it's a
Well,
verb. And a
in
market,
action.
is it a verb or a place?
Place.
Shop?
Place.
Actually, both, but in this case, we will take it like a place. And supermarket?
Place.
Place. So, the one that doesn't correspond is buy. Yeah, nice. 5, cup, carton, bar, bottle.
Carton, bar, bottle.
Which one?
Carton.
Cup, carton, bar, bottle.
Carton.
Carton?
Carton.
Why? Why carton? What do you use? What do you? What do? What do you use a cup for?
You say,
To serve a drink?
For drinks, right? Liquids. The carton?
no.
You sure? What's carton? No es cartón el pedazo de cartón, no. What's carton?
Or is for the
X.
animation.
Carton
No.
X.
You sure? What's
I think
carton?
that is bar.
Why? Why bar?
I think this is a place.
No, it's food. Yeah. Bar is a place where you drink, but in this case, the context is food. So let's analyze each one. Cup. What do you use a cup for? Liquids or solids?
Liquids.
A bottle?
Liquid.
For example,
Water.
water, milk, juice, bar,
Drink beer.
bar. No, it's not bar. El bar. No.
It's not the place.
No, it's about food. ¿Qué viene en bars? What kind of foods comes in bars?
Butters.
Liquids.
But no.
Butter, chocolate.
Chocolate bar. Barra. In this case, it's not el bar, es barra. Y no es la barra libre tampoco. Barra. Like, for example, los sneakers. Los sneakers, those are chocolate bars. Sí, barra de chocolate. En cartón, is not the pedazo de cartón. Cartón is caja, like for the milk. Para la leche, la caja. So, the one is this one. Okay. ¿Estamos claros con el significado de bar acá?
Yes.
Ok, no es leyendas el chupadero, no. Es la barra de chocolate.
Barra de mantequilla.
Barra, are there butter bars?
No.
Yeah, butter bars,
Yeah.
con la margarina, ¿huh? La barra de mantequilla, yeah, butter bars, yes. Chat, teacher, okay. Right, number 6, some, many, any, a.
Ninguno, muchos.
Don't translate. Some, many, any, a. Why a?
Because it's
Singular.
Because it's singular, yes. Some plural, many plural, any plural negative, a singular.
Singular.
Yes. Sandwich, juice, milk, lemonade.
Milk. Sandwich.
Why sandwich?
Because no food and the other one is liquid.
Because it's solid food and the other ones are liquids. Perfect. Number 7, lemon water for egg.
For eggs.
egg.
Pork.
Why? Why?
It's
You
out.
can't eat or drink the other ones.
Yeah, you cannot eat your fork, right? How do you say in English utensilio?
Pork.
Good question.
Utensilios como el tenedor, la cuchara.
Utility.
Pork.
¿Ah?
Utility.
No, utilities are the services like electricity, water, gas. Those are utilities. Los servicios básicos de la casa. So you don't know?
Utensils, I don't know.
You can say utensils. You can say utensils. So that is right. Lemon, water, eggs are foods or ingredients for something, and the fork is not a food, right? You cannot eat it. It's a utensil. Number 9, onion, apple, orange, bean. Onion, apple, orange, bean.
Bean.
In,
Why?
because it's a seed.
Let's think about how do you say figura in English?
Figures.
Figures. Don't get confused, guys. Figures are math calculations. Figures son operaciones matemáticas como es suma y así. But figuras son shapes. Shape. Shape is figura, como cuadrado, redondo, ovalado. That is shape. So if we think about the shape, what's the onion's shape?
Like a circle.
How do you say redondas?
Circle.
Circle is círculo. Redonda?
Round? No.
Round.
Round.
Round. So onions are round. Apples?
Apple round.
A little bit round. And oranges?
Or round?
Round too. And the beans?
No.
They are not round, right? So we will put this one. And the last one, tuna, cola, grape, and pasta.
Cola.
Grape.
Grape or cola or pasta or tuna?
Cola.
Cola.
Why?
Because it's a drink.
Yeah, because it's a drink, right? And the other ones are food. Good job. Do you have any questions about the vocabulary? No? No new vocabulary? You know all this vocabulary?
I have a question.
Yes,
What
Alexandra?
is mushroom?
Wait, you have a questions or you have a question?
Question.
Mushrooms are those little things that you put on the pizza, for example, the hongos.
Hongos.
Not de los pies, right? But in the food, on the pizza. Yeah, mushrooms. But they have another name. What's the name they put it? ¿Qué nombre le dan? Champiñones. Mushrooms pizza is like pizza de hongos or de champiñones.
Yeah.
Okay. Any other question before we continue? No? Right. Now, let's go through a reading exercise here. This is about foods again. I need one volunteer to read.
May I, mister?
Okay, of course, Giancarlo, you can do it. Go ahead, Giancarla, Stephanie, and then Alexander, you can. Well, we're gonna do something. Giancarla, read till school, hasta school, and Alexandra, you continue after.
Okay. Hi, my name is Alex. I always have a sandwich and tea for breakfast. My favorite sandwiches are ham and tomato sandwich. They are delicious. And I also like cheese sandwich. On weekends, I have a lunch at school.
Alexander?
I take a packaged lunch with me. I have some sandwiches and an apple.
or a banana. And I usually drink hot chocolate and or tea. For dinner, I have jacket potatoes with cheese and some salad, pizza or fish, and chips. But I like spaghetti the most because it is my favorite food.
Thank you. Thank you. Very good. Another person for reading? Let's read it one more time. But remember, in this case, let's make the difference between singular and plural. Sandwich, one, sandwiches, plural. Okay? Okay, Ana Cecilia. Oh, your name is Ana Cecilia Rivera Alvarez. All right. Okay, Anita, till school again, and then Josue continue.
Hi, my name is Alex. I always have sandwich and tea for breakfast. My favorite sandwiches are ham and tomato sandwiches. They are delicious, and I also like cheese sandwiches. On weekends, I have lunch at school.
Thank you. Josue?
I take a packed lunch with me. I have some sandwiches, an apple or a banana, and I usually drink hot chocolate tea. For dinner, I have jacked potatoes with cheese and some salad, pizza or fish and chips. But I like spaghetti the most because it is my favorite food.
Nice. Thank you. Perfect. Now, let's go over the true and false here. He has hot chocolate for breakfast. Is that true or false?
False.
False.
I really need to get a new monitor. ¿Quién me quiere donar un monitor? So this is false. He likes cheese sandwiches.
False.
True.
True or false? What kind of sandwiches does he like?
Tomato sandwiches.
Ham and tomatoes, right? Ham and tomatoes. Number 3, he doesn't have fruit for lunch. So true or false? He doesn't have fruit for lunch.
False.
False.
You sure?
Sandwich again is true. It's
Apple
true.
or banana?
And banana.
So he has apples or banana. Are
Or
those
banana.
fruits? So he
Yes.
doesn't have fruits for lunch is false. Correct.
It's false. Yeah.
Number 4, he drinks tea or hot chocolate at school.
It's true.
False.
False? True or false?
It's false. I don't know.
False.
It's true.
I usually drink
Hot
True.
chocolate or tea? Hot chocolate or
hot
tea?
chocolate or tea.
Chocolate or tea.
So it's true.
It's
It's
true.
true.
Number 5, he doesn't eat sandwiches for dinner.
True.
It's false.
It's false.
False because jacket potatoes with cheese and some salad. Pizza. Okay. False.
Fish and chips. So false. He doesn't eat sandwiches.
It's
It's
true.
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 Because
True.
he doesn't
True.
eat the sandwiches
True.
for dinner.
Yeah, he
Okay,
doesn't
true.
eat sandwiches. He eats other
Ah,
things. Una
okay.
patata con chaqueta
Mhm.
and fries. His favorite food is pizza. What is it? I mean, it's true or false?
False.
What is his
False.
favorite food?
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
Spaghetti. And now, what is la papa con chaqueta? What is it? Jacket potato. What is that?
Pero
I don't know.
No es que le da frío, right?
I don't know, teacher.
What is?
A jacket potato. Let me show you a picture so you can get it. This better.
this,
It's a baked potato. It's a baked potato with
no peel.
with not peel, with the
Like a papa
cáscara.
horneada.
Con
Yes.
cáscara.
This is a jacket potato. Mhm.
Delicious. Wow.
Yeah. So no que le tenga frío a la papa, no. Jacket potato. Right? It's without peeling, not peel potato with this or this like that. All right, guys. Now, following this example, I'm gonna send you to the breakout rooms and you just talk about foods that you like. Something like this. What you have for breakfast, what you usually have for lunch, and what you usually have for dinner. What is your favorite fruit? What's your favorite food, etc. Okay? And try to remember because we are going to share with me. So I will send you to the breakout rooms for a couple of minutes and you just speak. For breakfast, I eat this and this and this and this. For lunch, this and this and this and this. For dinner, this and this and this and this. My favorite foods are hamburgers and pizza. My favorite fruits are melon and watermelon. And like that. Right. Go to the breakout room and practice. Practice, practice. Cámaras encendidas, please. Stephanie, Carolina, what happened?
For lunch, I usually eat meat and also spaghetti. And for dinner, I eat eggs with, I don't know if have you ever tried eggs with ketchup.
Ketchup. Okay.
And and my favorite fruits are mango and bananas.
Okay. Your favorite food, Catherine?
My favorite fruit.
Yes.
My favorite fruit is grape.
Great.
Yes.
And what do you usually eat in the breakfast?
Well, I don't eat always grape, but in the breakfast I usually eat banana.
Only banana.
Yes.
And in lunch?
Peso.
Oh,
Peso.
¿de qué? De peso. Oh, lost weight. Oh, the same. We dice the same because salad in the in dinner.
Okay.
with cheese, huevo duro, eggs,
Boil eggs, boil eggs, boil eggs.
Boil.
boiled eggs.
Mhm.
Okay. Yes.
Next
Emma, are
victim.
you here?
Next victim.
Emma is not here.
Emma.
Yes, I am here.
Oh, where? Where
Okay.
are you?
What?
Where are you?
I am in my mom's house.
We can't see you.
Because right now I am staying with my baby.
Oh, okay.
And when I stay with my baby, I turn off my camera.
All right.
Next one.
Okay. For my breakfast, usually I eat eggs with bean and cheese, with coffee and bread. And for my lunch, I eat sometimes chicken or meat and with rice and salad with, I don't know how can I say tortillas in English?
Tortillas.
Tortillas, okay?
Mhm.
And for my dinner, I eat, how can I say plátano frito?
Fried plantain.
Fried plantain with beans
Cream. Beans.
and cream with bread and
Or with a lot of chipilín. And sometimes drink a juice or soda. And for my dinner, I only get pupusas, tamales, beans, cheese, or use a sandwich sometimes. This is my routine when I get up, my meal.
What's your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is banana, strawberries, and sometimes cherries or moras. I don't know. Is it the same or watermelon? That is my favorite fruit.
Delicious.
Watermelon is sandía. Ow.
Yes.
Okay. You finish?
Yes.
Next.
Me. I always eat pupusas for breakfast. I usually eat spaghetti with soda for lunch. Oh. And I usually eat beans with cream with cheese for dinner. And my favorite food is pizza. Only that.
What's a kid baby?
Hola, Diego.
Hello. Hello, Ceci. How are you feeling? You feeling better now?
Sorry. Yeah, I'm feeling better.
Okay. Do you work or do you just study?
Actually, I'm just studying.
Nice, nice. How's your nursery career going?
It's been difficult. A
Why?
lot of topics, medicine topics are complicated sometimes.
Complicated.
Complicated.
Yeah, it's hard. But you're gonna make it. You're gonna make it.
Yeah, thanks.
All right, people, welcome back. Welcome back. Now, before you share with me, let me give you some feedback based on what I saw. Oh. What do you think about this, guys? I eat sometimes eggs with beans. Is that correctly organized?
It is incorrect
Why, Carla?
because the sentence is mm,
Uh-huh.
I suppose that sometimes I eat eggs with I don't know, but it's incorrect.
But you're close. You're close. Está bastante cerca.
Yeah.
So, yes, guys, remember, sometimes is an adverb of frequency, right? When we use adverbs of frequency, trate queso, please.
Before
Adverbs of frequency are placed, I'm sorry, before the verb. I sometimes eat eggs with beans. I sometimes eat. Si lo ponen así. Sometimes es la excepción a todas las reglas. Because sometimes can go at the here, pero siempre antes del verbo. It can go at the beginning. This one is also correct. Or it can go at the end. And this is also correct. But this is only with sometimes. Other ones, always, never, usually, rarely, barely, hardly ever. They always go like this. Subject, adverb of frequency, verb, complement. Yes?
Yes.
Yo siempre me levanto tarde. I always get up late. No, I get up late always. Right? Number 2. How do you say huevos duros in English?
All eggs, bowl eggs.
Full eggs.
They are not strong eggs, right? Boiled eggs. Boiled eggs. How do you say tortillas in English?
Tortillas.
Tortillas.
Tortilla.
How do you say plátano frito in English?
Fried
Protein.
Fried plantain.
Fried plantain.
Plantain. How do you say mora? No la hoja. No la hoja, but the fruit. The fruit. No la sopa, the fruit. Mora.
Berry, no.
What's the name of that famous cell phone brand?
What?
The cell phone brand, the very
Blueberry?
famous brand.
Blackberry.
Blueberry?
Blackberry. Blackberry. That's the way you say it. And also, people, remember, be careful with singulars and plurals. One more time. If you say what do you think about this sentence?
It's incorrect
Why?
because it's singular and you are talking about over different fruits.
Exactly. So you said is singular, but you mentioned many. And if you say is, do you talk about one thing or many things?
Many things.
One thing.
Is only one.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
what's the first change?
Are.
Are.
Number one, are. And number two,
Fruits.
fruits
With the S at the
with
end.
S, plural. My favorite fruits are
Are.
watermelon, melon, bananas, and apple.
An apple.
So remember that. All right, now I want to know, tell me, volunteer to share with me, but you are not going to tell me about you. You will tell me about your friends. Huh? Like, de que me acuerdo. Who was it? I don't remember. You tell me. I don't remember. So, volunteer to tell me. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
Melon is cantaloupe, teacher.
I'm sorry, Ulises?
Melon, cantaloupe,
What?
cantaloupe.
What? Cantaloupe. Ah, yes, 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 that's true. Yes, cantaloupe. Yes, Ulises, thank you. I have forgotten about. You can actually call it both ways. You can say melon or
Cantaloupe.
I will stay with melon. It's easier to remember. My favorite fruit is cantaloupe melon. All right, so tell me, share with me about your classmates. Vamos a ver de qué se acuerdan que le dieron sus compañeros y le pusieron atención. Ajá. ¿Vamos a volunteer? No le pusieron atención, right? Yes, Stephanie?
Emma.
Oh, Dina, tell me. Yes, go ahead.
Emma like fried thing in the dinner.
Oh, okay. Emma likes fried plantain for dinner.
And tortilla.
And tortillas with plantain. That's a strange combination, but okay. People eat differently, right? How do you say gustos? How do you say gustos in English? For lunch, tortillas for
In
lunch.
dinner, fried plantain.
Fried plantain. How do you say gustos in English?
Tasty.
No, tasty. Tasty is the flavor of tasty, like delicious. Flavor is flavor. But likes are, gustos are likes. So what do you say? Depende de los gustos. Depends on your likes. I personally prefer plantain with bread, but if you like plantain with tortilla, that's up to you. Right. Yes, Cecilia, go ahead.
Maylin Toledo, she said that she usually eats for breakfast eggs with beans and fried plantains. And for lunch, she likes to eat chicken with rice. And she said that her favorite restaurant is Wendy's.
Wendy's for hamburgers. All right. Thank you, Ceci. Good job. Nice. Next, another volunteer.
Dinah likes in the breakfast scrambled egg with beans.
Scrambled eggs with beans. Scrambled eggs with vegetables or without vegetables?
Alone.
Alone, only the eggs. All right. Only that, Ulises?
In the lunch, usually take the chicken soup.
Chicken soup. All right. Yeah, delicious.
The dinner, like the old Salvadorian pupusas. Eat pupusas.
Pupusas. She eats pupusas. All right. Thank you. Uy, la carga, la carga. Next.
Me, teacher.
Okay, Stephanie. Go ahead.
Mm,
Yo estoy, no te preocupes. Tenele.
Santa Fidelina say breakfast,
Breakfast,
eggs, beans, cheese,
cheese.
mhm.
Okay.
And for lunch, say soup, bean
Wait.
or soup,
Soap or soup?
soup, soup.
Yeah.
No, I don't
Palmolive soap is not food. It's not good, right? Soap is for your body when you take a shower. Soup.
sí, sí,
Soup.
soup,
Soup. Beans soup.
and bean soup, and fried rice, fried rice.
French fries
Mm-hmm.
or fries like fried potatoes, French fries, papas
Rice.
fritas,
But,
papas francesas.
Right.
how do you say Africa?
Ah, rice.
Right.
Fried
Yes.
rice. Fried rice.
And
Right.
the lunch, I don't remember.
The dinner.
Dinner, I don't remember.
Okay.
Only that.
Favorite fruit? Remember favorite fruit? No.
No say.
How do you say in English? Ella no dijo o no lo mencionó.
No sé.
He
I don't know.
didn't say it.
She didn't
She?
say it.
You don't say.
She didn't say it.
She
She
didn't
didn't say it because you are being specific about that. Okay. All right, guys. Thank you for volunteering. Now let's go to the final activity for today. We have a dialogue here. First of all, we are going to organize the dialogue. We're going to put the dialogue in order. What is the first thing the waiter says from these ones? What is the beginning of the conversation?
Are you ready to
Are
order?
you ready to order?
Are you ready to order? And then?
Yes. Can I have some mixed vegetables, please?
Yes, can I have some mixed vegetables, please? And then?
Would you like
Certainly. Do you
a
want
dessert?
something to drink?
Certainly. Do you want something to drink? Yes, perfect. And then?
Just a bottle of mineral water.
Just a bottle of mineral water, please. And then?
Anything else?
Would you like a dessert?
Would you like a dessert? And the next?
No, thank you.
Thank you.
That'll be all. And the waiter?
Anything else?
Wait.
Anything else?
Anything else?
Anything else?
Anything else?
No, here we got it confused. Are you ready to order? Yes, can I have some mixed vegetables? Certainly. Do you want something to drink? Just a bottle of wine or water? Yes. Here, it's not this one. This one.
Right there.
Anything else? And then, yes, I like chicken with rice, please. And then, would you like a dessert? No, thank you. That'll be all. What sounds better? Are you ready to order? Yes, can I have some mixed vegetables, please? Or yes, I like chicken with rice.
Yes,
Yes, I like chicken with rice.
It sounds better, right? And this one here. How do you say in English? Plato principal.
Main?
Main?
Main.
Main?
Main dessert?
Main course.
Course. Oh.
Main course. Yes. And how do you
How do you
say
spell course?
course? How do you say Entrada.
Entry.
But the entry is the entrada like to the building, the door. When you're talking about food, like in a restaurant, they always tell you, would you like an entrada? So how do you say that?
Appetizer.
What, Ceci?
I think it's like appetizer, but I'm not sure of the pronunciation.
Appetizer. Yeah, you can use that one. You can use that one. Appetizer. Or you can say entrée, si hablan francés. Or you can say starter. Starter. Would you like a starter? Yes, I would like some chicken wings. Y luego le dicen, and for the main course, I would like to have chicken with rice, etc. And for dessert or dessert? Dessert, right? Not desert, porque no van a comer el desierto de Arizona, right? Desert, desierto, dessert, postre. And for dessert, okay. Another one. Imagine you are going to order meat. So for the meat, you have crudo, medio crudo y bien cocinado. Que todavía viene medio crudo, pero ajá. How do you say how do you say those terms in English? ¿Ah? The first one, si le gusta, no sé en Spanish, así, aquí crudo, medio crudo, muy crudo, crudo. No tan cocido. ¿Cómo se dice eso en español? ¿Cuál es el término?
Término medio.
No, but that's the second one. There's another one before.
Middle.
What?
Medium.
Middle.
Medium. There's one that's it's
No.
rare.
Medium.
El primero. Medium, rare,
Well done.
and well done. The rare es el que está casi crudo con sangre. Medium rare, ya medio lo cocinaron, aunque todavía trae sangre. And well done is cooked. Okay, let's read this conversation. Two volunteers. Who wants to be the waiter and who wants to be Tom? Who wants to be the waiter? Okay, Ana Cecilia, waiter. Who wants to be Tom? Ruth, Tom. Okay, start. Ana Cecilia and Ruth.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I like chicken with rice, please.
Certainly. Do you want something to drink?
Just a bottle of mineral water, please.
Anything else?
Yes, can I have some mix of vegetables, please?
Would you like a dessert?
No, thank you. That'll be all.
That'll be all. Perfect. Good job, Ceci and Ruth. Okay, Alexandra. You're gonna be the waiter. Second, Carla Juarez. Okay. Carla, you are Tom. Alexandra, start.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I like chicken with rice, please.
Certainly. Do you want something to drink?
Just a bottle of mineral water, please.
Anything else?
Yes, can I have some mixed vegetables, please?
Would you like a dessert?
No, thank you. That'll be all.
Nice. Perfect. Thank you. Two more volunteers? Two more. Okay, Dina. Dina, España. And who's next? Who's the other one? Stephanie Ramirez. Okay. But now you will improvise this. Vamos a cambiar las comidas. So, Dina, what do you want to be? The waiter or the client?
The waiter.
Okay, Dina, the waiter. Stephanie, you are the client. Y ahí cambia lo que quiere comer. Okay, Dina, start.
Are you ready to order?
Yes, I eat chicken.
In this case, teacher, say, do you want some to drink?
Yes.
Okay.
Stephanie, what did repeat? We couldn't hear you.
Certainly, do you want something to drink?
Mm,
Do you want something to drink? Stephanie,
I don't know, teacher.
do you want something to drink? Yes, water, soda, horchata, cebada, mango
Yes,
juice,
I drink coffee.
a coffee.
Anything else?
Um, let's see.
Anything else? Yes or no?
Yes,
So, una sopita de algo, unas papitas fritas, o una hamburguesa,
it's French fries.
French fries, okay.
Or would you like a dessert?
Sir.
Mm,
Would you like a dessert?
yes, um, mm, pie, como, how do you say, por decir, pie de manzana, no sé,
How do you say manzana?
apple,
¿Y pie?
mm,
Pie.
pie, pie,
So, apple pie.
apple pie.
Yes.
Anything else?
Eh, nuevamente me está diciendo esa pregunta.
Yes.
Yes. Mm,
¿Quieres seguir comiendo? Yes or no?
no,
So, no, thank you.
no, thank you.
Dina, ¿cómo la cerraría?
Oh, I don't know, teacher.
How would you say, what would you say at the end?
¿Cómo?
What would you say to close the conversation? ¿Qué dirían to close this conversation?
Thank you for your preference.
It was a pleasure for me.
All right. But that would be like when the customer already finished the food and he goes home. Right? But when you are taking the order, all right, what would you like to what would you like something to drink? Yes, I would like to have a soda, please. Right, anything else? Yes, French potato with rice and a salad. Okay. Anything else? Would you like a dessert? Yes, please, an apple pie. All right. ¿Y cómo dirían? Su orden estará lista en, no sé.
Maybe your order will be ready in some minutes,
All
in a
right,
few
that's
minutes.
an option. Okay. Your order will be ready in a couple of minutes. You will be served in a couple of minutes, etc. Guys, I will assign you your first homework. Take notes.
Oh my goodness.
Homework number 1. This will be pair work. You're going to record a video, and in the video you will improvise. The context is in the restaurant. You will play the roles. Role number 1 sería el waiter, right? Waiter. Oops. Assist the customer and
Mi amor, ya voy, espérate, papi, ya voy.
ask what he or she wants. The second role, number 2,
Espérate, papi, espérate.
tell your
Mi amor.
order to the waiter. ¿Qué día es hoy? Wednesday, right?
Sí. Right.
Yes, Carla, Edina, do you have a question? Do they?
When we are going to say this homework is for tomorrow.
No, it will be for Friday, November 10th, si no me equivoco.
Teacher, you
2020.
choose the person.
No, you will choose the person.
Okay.
Ahí se ponen de acuerdo en el grupo. Ahí escriban quién quiere trabajar conmigo, quién quiere trabajar conmigo. Y se ponen de acuerdo, graban el video. Teacher, ¿cómo voy a grabar el video? Yo no sé. Pueden hacer una reunión en Zoom y grabarla, o también hay unos celulares que tienen ya la opción de grabar la pantalla. Pueden hacer una videollamada. And please, guys, in the video, no quiero ver que estén así con la cámara aquí y los ojos hacia abajo, right? Traten de hacerlo así, improvise. Si lo van a escribir con antelación, ok, perfecto, pero apréndaselo, no lo lea. Ok, es speaking, no es de lectura. ¿Estamos?
Okay.
Ok, ya les voy a mandar la presentación con todo también para que lo puedan tener ahí. Solo voy a tomar la foto. Y un
Para que quieras
segundo.
conmigo, estoy disponible.
Ok. All right, guys. Thank you so much for today's class. Appreciate your attendance.
The picture.
Ya la tomé. Para mañana, please, guys, las cámaras. Necesito que tengan las cámaras más encendidas porque si no, no sé con quiénes estoy participando, ¿ok? Hasta la medida de lo posible hay que mantener la cámara encendida. Nos vemos mañana. Have a good day. Have a good afternoon. Have a good night.
Night.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow. God's willing.